to manage your cables, make sure you're rolling them correctly. Here is just your normal braided, it's like the Fender vintage one, and I've done this on purpose. That is not what you want your cable to look like when you pick it up. You want it, these are nice cables actually. These ones will last you a really long time. I think I got this maybe 15 years ago. So you want to hold that facing away from you, and when you roll, you're kind of rolling your hand as well, and then you go the opposite direction when you go the next way. So I'm going to the left, and then I'm going to the right. So I'm going over to the left, under to the right, over to the left, under. So you see it's underneath to the right. That's how you want to store your cables. And you probably want to also have those little Velcro wraps so that you store your cable like that. The beauty of that is, I'm sure if you've had the luxury of being a roadie or a stage tech, you can actually just hold on to that and fling it, and it totally unwraps by the time it gets to its destination, which is cool and also very dangerous, so don't throw guitar cables at your friends.